In this Excel Basics lesson, we learn how to use the header and footer tabs in the page setup to add useful information at the top and bottom of your printed pages. First, select the worksheet you want to print, then go to the Page Layout tab and click on Margins. From there, choose Custom Margins to open the detailed page setup window. Within this window, navigate to the Header / Footer tab, where you can easily add content to your printed page's header or footer areas. Click the drop-down arrow under Header to select from predefined header options, or create a custom one that suits your needs, such as page numbers, file names, or dates. Similarly, use the drop-down under Footer to choose or customize what appears at the bottom of each printed page. This can include things like document titles, author names, or other relevant details. After selecting or customizing your header and footer, simply click OK to apply the settings. Now, when you print your worksheet, the header and footer will appear on every page, making your printouts more professional and informative. Mastering header and footer setup in Excel helps you add important context and branding to your printed reports without extra effort.